Welcome to my beautiful island of Jamaica, where the possibilities are endless to finding peace. From falls like the Falling Edge Falls, to where animals are amazing food, parties and beaches. And no matter where you look for, everything is a vibe on my island. River rafting is also included. You get a boy like me, anything curry, I'm definitely gonna deal with it. I love my fish, I love my ackee and my saltfish. Plenty villas and hotels to choose from. We have natural grass-fed cows. They just walk freely. They know their way. Our pigs, our chickens, they're all natural. We have lobster fresh from the sea right here. And I believe one of the most beautiful parishes in Jamaica is the Portland Parish. Sundowns and blue waters. There's also other attractions such as this one, the firewater. You can take in the ocean, or you could be above the ocean parasailing. Endless drinks, greenery, and also swings over the mountains. It's pretty much whatever you're into, as you can see right here. And at nighttime, the sky is beautiful. Try to do as much local things as you can with the right people so you get a better experience. This is one of my favorite spots to be right here. This is Salt River Mineral. There you go. Big up Jamaica every time.